The inside, here's the cap of a connecting rod, and there's another one up there. I've got this cylinder open, so I'm looking at connecting rods, and we're talking about rod knock earlier. So here is no knock. I can't wiggle it around. Ooh. Probably shouldn't do that. It's actually supposed to be very, very tight on the crankshaft, so that as it crankshaft spins at a couple thousand RPMs, that connecting rod and the piston follow the path of the crankshaft as it spins. Well, in that case, it's going to be causing a lot of rattle and a lot of noise, and well, as you can see, that's where our problem lies. So, change your oil.